What's up, guys? Universal Mastery. So what I do on my channel is I break down the occult sciences and principles so that you can use them in your day-to-day life and get real, actual, and practical results. So what we're going to be talking about in today's video is an Ars Goetic demon by the name of Sitri. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is make sure you go and you check out my Patreon. The Patreon is going to be the first link in the top of the description. It's going to say My Patreon. What I have on my Patreon is an exclusive video weekly that will not be uploaded to my YouTube channel. And what it will do is it will give you access to conversate with me whenever you want about the occult with whatever questions that you have. To gain access to these benefits, you have to be a tier 2 or up. Tier 2 is going to cost $9.95, which is literally going to be less than $1 a day because that will be a monthly payment. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to afford that for the value that's being offered. So just throwing that out there, the link for that is going to be at the top of the description. You have to go check it out. But other than that, I'm going to go right into the video. Here we go. So Sitri, pronounced as Sitri or Sitri. Sitri is a specialist in the avenues of love, lust, and desire. Sitri can cause someone to fall in love with you or to lust after you. Sitri can cause a specific target to have sexual dreams about you. Sitri is great for love spells and can initiate an incubus or succubus relationship. Sitri can give you an aura of lustful power. There we go. So now I'm going to read the attributes of Sitri. So we have intermediate to advanced. The tarot is going to be 4 of cups. The planet is going to be Saturn. The metal is going to be lead. The element earth. The color blue. The plant hyacinth, Hyacinth, just in case I butchered that. The incense is going to be cedar. The zodiac is going to be Cancer, and this is the demonic N to channel Sitri for that lustful power and that lustful energy of an aura that you can have around you to make people be in awe around you and want to get to know you more. Here's the demonic N. Lirash, Alora, Vifa, Sitri. Lirash, Alora, Vifa, Sitri. Lirash, Alora, Vifa, Sitri. I'm going to say it one more time. Lirash, Alora, Vifa, Sitri. And that's it. Woo! So you have it there. So if you are looking to cause, once again, if you're looking, like, it seems like Sitri would be a great demon to work with if you want someone to fall in love with you, if you want someone to be sexually attracted to you, if you want to just be more sexually attractive in general, if you want to emulate a certain type of energy that causes people to just be gravitated towards you, then Sitri would be a great spirit to be working with. Or to perform that type of spell or to perform that type of ritual to empower yourself to have those abilities. Now, when it comes to looks attract people. It is very true that looks do attract people. The way that you look is a specific symbol. I mean, if you look attractive to the opposite sex or to whoever it is that you're trying to look attractive to, then that's going to give you benefits in general. That's gonna give you a step ahead of the game. Okay, looking good is a skill set. It is a tool, and some people are naturally blessed with it, and some people have to work for it. So my recommendation is try your hardest to work for it. If you're not naturally blessed and if you don't naturally look decent or look good, because it's your choice. How good do you want to look? You know, get in the gym, start working on yourself, start eating healthy, start doing those things. my advice would say, look as good as you can, because that is going to make your life a lot more, it's going to make your life a lot easier. It's going to make your life a lot more, you're going to be a much more powerful person because people are going to take you more serious. And this is just facts, okay? Like, I don't care how you feel about this, like, oh, it's not fair, it's like, I would rather be fat, and that's okay, but I'm telling you facts here. I'm telling you what is true, okay? So we have the physical looks, but then there's an energetic presence that can cause people to be attracted to you as well. And that energetic presence is a lot more potent than your physical presence. Okay, hear what I'm saying. The energetic presence of you having that really high positive energy, that energy that people want to be around, that creates massive levels of attraction. Now, usually, to balance that out, usually you look somewhat decent to be able to have that type of presence, because people that have that, typically have that high presence to them, are taking care of their health. They're eating healthy. They're watching what they're putting in their body, and they're watching what they're doing to their body. But then, there are people that are just, let's say they don't look too good, but they have this energy to them that's just attractive, and people love being around them. And that is what would correlate to what Sitri has to offer when it comes to your aura, to working. Like, if I did a lot of spiritual work and I let my body go and I'm just sitting down and I'm doing like all this, spiritual studies of trying to improve my aura so that people are attracted to it. And then on top of that, I'm also doing studies of how to talk to people so that I can know how to come off, to create attraction, because there's also psychology that's involved with that as well. Then just my physical body could be I could completely lose myself. Like, I could completely gain like 50 pounds. But if I have those skill sets, if I have that aura, and I have that energy, and I have that psychological advantage, just because I look like that, that's not going to mean shit. I'm still going to be very successful at creating attraction. So other than that, I hope this video could offer value. I'm going to leave it there. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell. Remember, the Patreon link is going to be the first link in the description if you want a step-by-step breakdown video of how to actually do an invocation of a spirit of your choice. I have that on my Patreon right now. You become a tier 2 or up, and you will gain direct access to that video. And I want to give a special shout out to the top tier 4 members already. I'm going to put them right underneath of the Patreon link. Then you drop down to the link below that. That's going to take you to my Streamlabs merch, where I have a very powerful shirt that it has a Hecate sigil on it. Very powerful sigil. Okay, so place your order. They will ship it right to your door. Then the link below that is going to take you to my Facebook community. You go click that link. It'll take you to the Facebook community page. Then I will have a pinned secondary link that says private group. You click that link. It'll take you over to the private group. Request to join. I will add you in. The goal is to get a bunch of like-minded people together so that we can come to some really powerful understandings together. So other than that, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day or night wherever you are, and peace.